And the reality is sometimes when you talk about these issues, it only pushes them further apart.
Yeah, I guess I disagree. I mean, I understand what you're saying, and I think it's absolutely true that these things linger and they divide people, bring them apart. But the idea that somehow if you take the issue of the past off the table, or you sugarcoat it, or you find some way to kind of avoid any kind of legal government obligation to allow both criminal but also civil actions, at the end of the day, those fears, those anxieties, that burning sense of injustice doesn't go away. Again, South Africa is a good example. Truth and Reconciliation Commission, they took it on head on. The government really acknowledged a long record of injustice and violations of human rights and the rule of law. If you take a 30,000-foot look, the British government has yet to do that in Northern Ireland, and they need to do that. And what they put forward doesn't accomplish that.
In your article, you make a plea to the Biden administration to oppose this. And Joe Biden is somebody who sees himself as Irish, yet the reality is there still has not been any special envoy appointed to Northern Ireland, as has been the case with past administrations. Do you think Joe Biden is showing an interest in these issues, or does he need to show more of an interest?
Well, I think he has a deep interest, as you say, both because of his own heritage, but more broadly, he has staked out a position in favor of human rights and democracy, and is very committed, as he has been for the last 20 years, to maintaining what's important about the Good Friday Agreement. And I do think I can expect, and I think everybody should expect, that if this bill goes forward, there will be a reaction from the U.S. government in saying, as I'm saying, that this is not consistent with the principles of human rights, rule of law, that were at the absolute center of the Good Friday Agreement, and that are now a bit frayed because of Brexit. And so I can imagine this will affect every aspect of U.S.-UK relations.
In real terms, what does that mean? What do you think the US administration would be prepared to do? Are you talking about trade deals here? Are you talking about causing problems there? What in real terms could this potentially do?
Well, I don't represent the administration. I'm not in the government now, though I was in the Obama administration. I imagine, again, taking the broad view here, if you look at what's happening now and with what's happening with this amnesty law, opposed by all of the political parties across the spectrum in Northern Ireland, opposed by the Irish government, I imagine that there will be discussions relating to everything, politics, trade, everything. This will not go away. This is not a detail. This is central to the U.S. position on Northern Ireland, and I think it will continue to be. And I think the amnesty law makes that relationship, strains it in a way that's unnecessary and unwise.
That is Michael Posner, who's a professor at New York University's Stern School of Business, and he was also a member of the Obama administration.